Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Sexual pheromone is a set of odorless and imperceptible substances produced by the body that, when released, promote the chemistry of attraction between individuals of the same species. In humans, the male sexual pheromone is the androstenedione. Orgie Sensfeel for man, or the Toilette perfume, is a fragrance with the energy of citruses, the exoticism of pepper with florals, and the strength of the woods, associated with the ingenious active ingredient. Sensfeel for him that exhales man's sensuality and virility. This is how it works. Sensfeel for him is a natural-based pheromone booster, active ingredient that can increase the man's power of attraction through the simultaneous action of two of its components. Furskaline, that increases the expression of the enzyme 3-beta-HSD, enhancing the production of androstenedione, and thiaflavins, that reduces the activity of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, decreasing the metabolism of androstenedione, resulting in the accumulation of pheromones. The fragrance of Sensfeel for Men perfume features citruses, wood, and floral, with a pinch of pepper, with top notes of grapefruit, geranium, and vetiver. You can choose between the 50 ml regular size and in its convenient 10 ml size, or have both. Orgie suggests applying where blood circulation is the greatest, such as the neck and the wrists. The effect of Sensfeel for Men reaches its maximum response 30 minutes after application, and it lasts for a few hours, so just reapply as you wish. Sensfeel for Men, exhale attraction. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye and dare yourself.